Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on reset settings button, see the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, that's all. After this we can close this. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then go to connections, tap here. Then turn on Wi-Fi, tap here. Tap on this Wi-Fi label. Now phone is searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Here you can see home Wi-Fi, that is a Wi-Fi network that I am using. Select it. Then enter Wi-Fi password here. Then tap on OK. Done. See, it's connected. So this way we can reset all Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.